Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, welcome back to my bar, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef, with another Irish-inspired cocktail. And this one was actually suggested by a viewer who sent me a very strange recipe. I haven't tried it yet, so we're going to try it together. It is called the Irish Kilt, and apparently it is a drink that's common at a few sports bars that this particular gentleman has gone to. It begins with Irish whiskey, right? I happen to have a little bit of this Jameson left, so we'll use that. It also has Scotch, which just seems like a strange combination, but calls for blended Scotch. Not a fan of blended Scotch. This one was left at my house, so monkey shoulder it is. Orange bitters. Simple syrup. For those of you who don't know what this is, just sugar and water. And last but not least, some fresh squeezed lemon juice, which I just squeezed. So this is a shaken cocktail. It's going to be poured into a martini glass. So let's give this a run. So first of all, 1 ounce of lemon juice, fresh squeezed, or you could use the stuff out of the bottle, I guess, if you really wanted to. 1 ounce of simple syrup. Three dashes of orange bitters. 1 ounce of scotch. Now, monkey shoulder and I are not friends, but it does say a blended scotch. Not a big blended scotch guy, so monkey shoulder it is. And last but not least, it's 2 ounces of Irish. We're going to use this Jameson. They'll almost finish this bottle. And this is supposed to be well shaken. For those of you who don't know, well shaken means that you should actually feel this start to get frozen on the glass. And then, or on the glass, on the shaker. Then we're just going to strain this. And that is very cold. We're going to strain this into the martini glass. Pretty. And the Irish Kilt. I don't know. Let's give it a go. It smells kind of lemony, actually. Oh my goodness, that's surprisingly good. That's a very interesting combination. I would not have expected out of Scotch and Irish going together. I'd recommend it. It's pretty good. If you have a drink you'd like me to make, send it to me. You can email me, Bill at Kansas Flamingo Chef. Almost got through it. Bill at KansasFlamingoChef.com. Or, of course, you can just comment on this video. And remember to subscribe. You'll see me make a fool out of myself. And like and share. And the Irish Kilt. Wow. I might have to make another one of those. I'll see you on the next one.